Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to join a live party on Poppo Live. It's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you want to take is of course open your Poppo Live app and log into your account. After that, you have to head to your profile. Alright, from here, so the next thing you want to do is to click on reward. Alright, so once you click on that, now the next thing you want to do is to look at this third daily task option. You see on the mic for 15 minutes and party. Alright, so once you go ahead and click on this go, you see several live parties to join, so you can just go ahead and select anyone and join. But first of all, your Poppo Live account needs to be authenticated, so make sure you go ahead and authenticate your Poppo Live account, then come over here and click on the go button to find a live party to join. So that's it guys, this is how you can actually join a live party on Poppo Live. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this.